And today I'm excited because I'm going to camping with my sis. Okay, let's start. Let's go to our sis home. Oh, wait. Where's my bag? I'll get my bag. Let's go to our sis home. This is my car. Let's go. Our sis home. Here is my sis. Oh no. This side. Right. This is my sis. Sis, come! Sis, come! Sis, are you ready? Let's go. Sit. Sit, sis. Let's go to our camping. Woo. This side. Wait. This side, let's go. This is our camping area. Wait a minute, sis. Let's put camping. This is our camp. This is my sis camp, and this is my camp. Let's start. Let's put our things. Let's camp. Come. You're so tired? Hello. You're so tired? I wanna make songs with guitar. Okay, sis. Please give me one guitar. Please give me. Thanks, sis. I'm so tired. Hello, sis. Okay, sis. Okay, let's go to sleep. Okay, sis. Oh no. What? There's a car here. What car is this? Whose car? Sis, go to sleep. You're so tired. Okay. There is a yacht. Let's swim. This is where are you? I'm going under. Ooh, wah. Ha. Sis, I see there's a gambling room. Yes, is here. There's people. Come with me, please. Where's sis? Where are you? Okay, come. You're so late. Okay, sis, pack our things. Okay? Pack our things. Let's go, sis. Where's my car? Where? Wait a second. Stand here. I will come. Stand here. I will come. Sis, come. Let's go to my house. Oh no. Let's go to your home. Here. Bye guys. Bye guys. Please subscribe and like. Bye. Woo.